Hello, U.S. history students. This video is a video on how to make a copy of a Google Doc. It's actually pretty simple. What you're looking at here is our assignment for our first day. So I'll take you through something you will actually have to do here as well. So if you look down here, students are going to have to make a copy of their student information sheet. So if you click on this link right here, it will take you to the assignment for today. This is what we call a Google Doc, for those of you who don't know. Up here you have the title and you have the Google Doc located here as well. Now, because this is my Google Doc, I can edit it. For you guys, you won't be able to edit this Google Doc unless you make a copy. So if you look at what I'm doing here, I can make all kind of edits here. You guys will be locked out of that. So what you need to do is you need to make a copy of the Google Doc. So you will go to File and go to the drop-down menu here. Go to where it says Make a Copy, and that copy, you can rename it. So if your name is John Smith, you can put John Smith right there and rename it. Once you rename it, you will press OK, and it will open up a new document that you guys will be able to edit. Now, at least for me in my class, when you edit things, I'm really going to ask you, when you edit them, to put your responses in a different font. It makes it a lot easier for me to grade. So again, if your name is John Smith, you can start off the assignment just like that, but that is how to copy a Google Doc. Now, the nice thing is all your information automatically saves as you go along. I would just make sure that you do try to organize your Google Drive by class. So set up a folder for U.S. history and save your files in there so you keep them organized. Other than that, I think I'm pretty good. If you guys have any questions, please reach out and I'll be happy to answer your questions. Bye.